Today, I am taking you to Hazra Fall. You must know about the various ways to visit this place. You can opt for state transport bus or private bus. This place is 90 kilometers from Nagpur and 55 kilometers from Gondia. The bus stops right near the Hazra Fall gate. You can hire any cab or local transport that will take you to the destination. If you have your own vehicle, the worry is over. Here we have to enter with an entry pass for our vehicle. If you come by rail, the nearest railway station Darekasa is just 1.5 kilometers from it. Hazra Fall is 10 kilometers from Salikasa railway station and 52 kilometers from Gondia railway station. If you want to come by air, you can land your flight at Raipur's Swami Vivekananda Airport or Nagpur's Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport. Otherwise, you can drop off at Birsi Airport in Gondia, which is 60 kilometers away. There is a parking system for cars here. We will park our car. Now, here we have to go on foot. From my right side and from my left side. I enter from right side. Come, follow me. Here you will find information related to the history of Hazra Fall. There is also a canteen here. Here we can worship our stomach, but I don't feel the need for it right now. This selfie point. I also satisfy my desire. A solar panel is installed here. Let's go there. Amongst the cool grass over the top for chatting and recreation. Rest if you are tired. This hut is made using bamboo, especially for tourists. Come on, now let's go ahead. This small garden. From here to the front. This is a platform made for observation. This is a circular hut made of bamboo. Follow me. Here too is the same hut as we saw at the beginning. This road takes us to Hazra Fall. made near Hazra Fall. Look at that bubbling water over there. The water level is high during the rainy season, but even in the month of November, there is plenty of water here. August to December is the best time to visit this place. Hazra Fall is one of the hidden gems known for its breathtaking beauty and picturesque landscape. It is a very important place for nature lovers and tourists in India. It is a place surrounded by immense natural beauty. If you are looking to get away from your daily grind, then Hazra Fall is a great option for everyone. This Hazra Waterfall flows down from a height of about 150 feet. If you call yourself an explorer, Hazra Falls is surrounded by ancient shrines that you can explore and record in your explorer's diary. The waterfall looks even more beautiful during monsoons because of the abundance of water, which creates an amazing scene to capture with your camera. If you are a photography enthusiast, you must visit this place. Surrounded by dense green forests and towering mountains with rugged terrain, the area is known for its scenic beauty and tranquil experience. It is an important destination for nature-loving tourists who are interested in exploring nature and its beauty. The water falling from the high mountain and the various adventure sports that have been introduced since last few years are becoming an attraction for all. So, this place has a train of tourists throughout the year. It is said about this Hazra Fall that it used to be a place of pure solitude. About 150 years ago, a tunnel was made for the railway in a large mountain range near the Mumbai-Howrah railway line. But the water from the streams flowing from the upper part of the hill started falling through the tunnel. Due to this, the railway service was disrupted during the rainy season. To solve this problem permanently, the then British railway engineer Hazra made an arrangement by skillfully cutting a part of the mountain to drain all the water flowing from the mountain. The falling water began to fall in a form of a waterfall. Since then, this place developed as a tourist spot. British officer Hazra discovered this waterfall, developed it. Hence, this waterfall is known as Hazra Fall. This is the Bamboo Interpretation Center. An interpretation center is a new style museum usually associated with an eco-museum. At Hazra Fall, you can also experience the adventure park. Come on then! Here you can also enjoy the zip line. Look, my brother is ready for zipline. Wow! This is rope climbing, where you can showcase your adventure skills. This small Hanuman temple. Look at this bamboo hut. There is another one. There are small restaurants here for snacks, that too made of bamboo. This is how we enjoyed the tourism at Hazra Fall. Learned about the adventure park here. Now it's time to go back. So bye.